Good evening students. So today we have to start the new concept in case of the genetics, that is the chromosomal mutation, or we called as the chromosomal aberration. So already we completed the different concept or the different topics in the genetics, that is the interaction of genes or the monohybrid, dihybrid, cross, sex-linked inheritance. So one more concept in the genetics, that is the chromosomal mutation or aberration. So what is mean by mutation or what is mean by aberration? It is nothing but the sudden change in the chromosome. Okay, mutation is nothing but the sudden change in the chromosome that will be occurs. So this chromosomal aberration we can define as the visible change in the structure of the chromosome. Visible change means getting what I am saying? So you can able to see how the structure change occurs in the chromosome, that we call as the visible change in the chromosome. So it may be occurs due to the means loss of the segment will be takes place, or the loss of the genes will be takes place. So arrangement of the chromosome will be takes place. These all things will be happens in the chromosomal aberration. So that's what we called as the visible change in the structure of the chromosome. So in case of the chromosomal aberration or mutations, so different types are there. Okay, so those types are based on the changes involved in the number of gene loci. Okay, so if the changes of the number of gene loci occurs, then there are the different types gene loci, and second one we called as the changes involving in the rearrangement of the gene loci or the genes. Rearrangement and the number of gene loci. Based on these two types, the subtypes are there. So first one we called as the deletion or deficiency. Second one we called as the duplication. In case of the number of the gene loci, there are two types. So first one is the deletion, second one is the duplication. In case of the second, that is the rearrangement of the gene loci, so there are again two types. So one we called as the translocation, one more we called as the inversion or inversion. Okay, so in case of the chromosomal aberration or chromosomal mutations, change in the structure of the chromosome, there are four types: deletion, duplication, translocation and inversion. Then what is mean by deletion or what is mean by deficiency? What will be happens? How it will be happens? The word itself indicates. So the deletion is nothing but the deletion of the segment of the chromosome will be takes place. A small segment of the chromosome will be deleted, or here what will be happens? The number of the genes will be lost here, or the lost gene will be affect the other genes here. Suppose if it is the chromosome, the small segment of the chromosome will be deleted, and this will be affect the other genes which are located in that chromosome only. Okay, so then what are the different factors that cause the deletion of the chromosome? It may be due to the chemicals, it may be due to the drugs, or we call as the radiation. Due to all these factors, the deletion of the chromosome will be takes place. Chemicals means like the nitric acid, like different chemicals are there. If it will be goes within the cells of the body, then the breaking of the or the loss of the segment of the chromosome will be takes place. Drugs, due to the different drugs, the loss of the segment will be takes place. Radiation, UV radiation, that will be directly enters into the DNA. Okay, that enters into the cell, that will be affect the DNA. So then we call as the deletion of the chromosome will be takes place. So due to all these, it will be directly affect the cell cycle where the chromosomes are located in the cell. So during the stage of the cell cycle, the deletion of the chromosome will be takes place. So once if the chromosome segment will be deleted, the animal or any organism can't able to survive, because the loss of the centromere will be takes place here. If it is the deleted part, it doesn't possess the centromere. So this we don't have the centromere, so it can't able to survive. In case of the deletion, again two types are there. One is the terminal deletion, second one is the intercalary deletion. So terminal deletion means what? Second one is the intercalary deletion. Terminal deletion means the deletion of the chromosome segment will be break at the terminal end. Okay, and this we called as the single break occurs in the chromosomal segment. If it is the chromosome, the terminal part will be deleted here. So here only one break is there. That we call as the terminal deletion. Intercalary means it occurs in the middle portion. Two breaks are there. In case of the second type, the two breaks will be occurs and the center part will be deleted here. That we call as the intercalary deletion. In case of the deletion or deficiency, both words are synonyms. If the terminal deletion occurs, then we call as the deficiency. If the intercalary deletion occurs, then we call as the deletion here. Okay, so like both words we call as the synonyms here. Then second type is nothing but the duplication. What is mean by duplication? How it will be occurs? Duplication is the second type of the mutation or the chromosomal aberration. So duplication, that we call as a double copy. Okay, so it is nothing but the presence of the same block of the genes in the haploid complement. If the already genes are present in the chromosome, so the same genes present means the same copy of the genes are present in the chromosome. That we called as the duplication. So the added part we called as the repeat here. Suppose if one chromosome will be break or the loss of the segment of the chromosome takes place, that will come and attach it to the different chromosome. Then that different chromosome have the same set of the genes, again attached have the same set of genes. Okay, so like this we call as the duplication will be takes place. If it is the broken part of the chromosome and it is the different chromosome, so this part will be comes and attach here. So already this have the genes like the ABC. Again it have the A, B, C, D, E like these genes. Means that we called as the detached part of the chromosome will comes and attach to this chromosome. Then this chromosome will be called as the duplicated part of the chromosome here. Okay. So the added genes we called as the repeat here. In case of the duplication, again different types are there. Okay. The first type is nothing but the tandem duplication. Then second is the reverse tandem duplication. Third is the displaced duplication. Okay, three types of the duplication. Tandem duplication. Tandem duplication means presence of the same copy of the genes. If it is the chromosome, have the genes A, B, C, D, E like this. Again, presence of the same copy, that is the A, B, C like this. Okay. So tandem duplication means contains the same block of the genes which is present in the original form. So this is the attached chromosome, where same block of the genes present, it means it will be attached to the different chromosome. So both have the same number of the genes here. Okay, that is the tandem duplication. Reverse tandem means if this chromosome consists the genes that we called as A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so here what will be happens? The different chromosome part comes and attached here. So it consists the CBA. Like this reverse genes will be attached here. So such type of the duplication we call as the reverse tandem duplication. Okay. The word itself indicates reverse genes will be present, that will be go and attached to the different chromosome. Then this whole chromosome we call as the reverse tandem chromosome. Reverse tandem duplication. Then third is the displacer. Displacer means it will be attached to the non-homologous chromosome. The different chromosome or the genes will be attached in the original chromosome. If it have the A, B, C, D, E, F, then the different segment of the chromosome comes and attach here, it have the different genes like the GHI, like this. Okay, so different genes will be attached to the original form of the chromosome, which have the different genes here. That is the displaced duplication. Then third we called as the translocation. Fourth is the inversion. Translocation means what? So this is the third type. So translocation is nothing but sometimes what happens, the exchange or the transfer of the genes or the chromosome segment from one linkage group to the next linkage group. Like if it is a one homologous chromosome, so it will be detached and attached to the different chromosome here. Okay, so it will be break and go and attached to here. So that we called as the translocation. So transfer of the segment of DNA from one linkage group to the next another linkage group, that we called as the translocation. In this case again different types are there. So first we called as the simple translocation. Second is the shift translocation. Then reverse translocation. Okay, so transfer of the one linkage group to the another linkage group, that we call as the translocation. Here again three types: simple, shift and the reverse translocation. In case of the simple translocation, what will happen? If it is chromosome have the genes CD, here E, F, G, like these genes are there. So the one part will be, small part will be broken and it will be attached to here. Okay, that we call as the simple translocation. Means it will be attached to the next chromosome. A small segment of the DNA of the chromosome, that will be break and it will be attached to the next chromosome here. That we call as the simple translocation. Second, shift. Okay, in case of the shift translocation, from the one chromosome the intercalary segment will be attached to the next chromosome. Here the breaking down of the chromosome takes place. It will be attached to the non-homologous chromosome. This part will be comes and attached here. Okay, that we call as shift. Reverse means it transfer of the genes of the one segment to the non-homologous part of the chromosome, that we call as the reverse translocation. So last is nothing but fourth one, that is the inversion. Inversion means what? So it is nothing but the rotation of the genes. The number of the genes will be changed, but the sequence of the genes will not change, that we call as inversion. Okay, so the rotation of the genes will be takes place at the angle 180 degrees. Getting what I am saying? So the number of the genes will be changed, but the sequence of the gene will not change. It will be rotate at the angle 180 degree. That we call as inversion. Like this will be happens here. In case of the inversion, so the first type is the paracentric inversion. Second type is the pericentric inversion. Paracentric means here two breaks will be occurs in a chromosome. Here one break, here one break. It will be rotate like this. Okay. So if it contains A, B, C, two breaks will be occurs, that we call it the genes on the chromosome A, B, C, D, E, F. Two breaks means if it occurs here, the B will be rotate like this. B comes here, C comes here, D comes here. Okay. So like this will be takes place. So two breaks occurs in the paracentric. Pericentric means single break occurs in the chromosome. If the chromosome structure is like this, it have the genes A, B, C, D, E, F, single break. So it will be rotate like this. Okay. Means B comes here, C, D, E, F. Like this arrangement will be takes place in the parent centric. Okay, so due to these mutations or the chromosomal aberration, different diseases will be occurs that we call as the syndromes. You know the Cry-du-Chat syndrome which occurs in the babies. Okay, baby will be cry like a cat here. So why it occurs? Due to the deletion of the fifth segment chromosome. Okay, so I taught deletion or deficiency. So in if the children's have the deleted portion in the fifth chromosome arm, then that baby will be cry like a cat. So like these different syndromes will be occurs due to these mutations. Okay, these all we called as the structural changes or the visible changes occurs in the structure of the chromosome. So this is regarding the chromosomal mutation or chromosomal aberration. So next time we have to study the gene mutation. Okay, thank you.